This is the replacing the position lights on the 2009 Subaru Forester. First thing you need to do is remove these lights from the housing lights on your headlights. This one I left it on so you can see that's on and it's working. That was on the left side, and remove the right side. This one I already previously removed the light. So what you need to do is just replace it with the LED lights. This one I got it from Amazon, of course. And yeah, just remove and replace. And make sure you test it before you put it back in. Okay, I'm removing the left side, the driver's side, and it's really simple, and it takes me about 5 minutes. Okay, it's back both sides. Let's go test it. Alright, this one is giving me a problem, as you can see. The left side's fine, but the right side it's like blinking, so it tells me that it's a malfunction. Okay, I replaced it, and this one's still blinking, the top. So for the second time I have to replace that. Third time, look at that, it's working, it's fine. Okay, now it's time to put it back in the socket. Pretty simple, huh? Yeah, kind of hard to do it with one hand and trying to hold the camera at the same time, so I have to do a cut and do some camera tricks. Yeah, simple. Alright, I hope you enjoy this. By the way, out of the 8 uh, LEDs that I got from Amazon, 2 of them didn't work, so look, this one now is working. Okay, thanks for watching. These two didn't work. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, thanks a lot.